Okay, my people, so this is what I brought back from home. Water crackers, mackerel. We have the jack mackerel, we have callaloo. I never know we have these. Irish moss with oats in it. We have the supplegen with stout. Supplegen and stout. We have the regular Irish moss. We have the supplegen with Irish moss again. We have this cocoa with coconut flavor. We have that. The real raw honey. Mr. Grace hot pepper sauce. And my great seasoning here. I have not had this in a while, so I just buy this. In the supermarket, I got it. So, I love me my water crackers. So, I buy my water crackers. I also buy some pumpkin and I cook it, freeze it. It's in the fridge with some okra. So, I want that to cook my soup. Coconut milk there. Some people say juice, some people say milk, juice, milk, whatever. Irish moss again. No, this has stout in it, so this actually has alcohol. So it has 5% alcohol. So this is really strong. 5% alcohol is a good amount of alcohol. That, yes, I want to taste these. I want to taste it. They are being very creative, putting all these additional stuff. Yes, so this is it. This is what I brought back from my home, Jamaica. This is what I brought back. Yeah, and believe it or not, people, these that you see right here, with a little bit of clothes, is 41 pounds. So can you imagine if I'd gone overboard and pack like it is nobody's business? I would be overweight. All of that you see right there, 41 pounds. 41 pounds. These pepper them say hot, but I don't think them so hot at all. It's not so hot. This is Maggie. I was looking for the Workers Wood one, but I didn't see it. This one says Scotch Bonnet. It's who made this? This is just authentic. I don't even know who made this, but I got this in the supermarket. This just said what is this? Oh, Jamaica Joe. I hope it's really hot, because this is what I have to use, because I really can't get the pepper in where I am. Yeah, so I'm just showing you my Jamaica haul. I got all these stuff while I buy the callaloo, because I can't get it here, so I have to use what I can get. All right, so this is it. Bye.